Yeah, Monday, how na dey do? I greet una all o.
How man dey do?
Since I be don dey tell una the fact say this na the friend dis wey I be don dey talk all along about. I tell am say your phone go left flight mode, you use am for browse, but anytime wey I tell am, wetin e dey say?
I say no, I tell am phone no dey left flight mode, you make call land you call can inside your phone.
Well, you
I
see,
say na lie.
I dey always dey
Before
tell am say phone dey left flight mode, e dey browse. E go left flight mode, first e call you, you receive call. He say he no believe that.
I no believe at all not.
I don dey tell
I no believe
am
that.
several times. He say he no believe me. Now na the time dis for learn account show wetin all I be don dey tell am for say na true.
Yes. I wan
Please do ya. Na una get for judge between me and this guy. If na me get for fall victim, una go tell me, or if na him, una go tell me. But wetin me know say phone go left flight mode, you use am. Now una watch and see how dem thing dey e get for happen. Yeah.
So as I be dey say, this na the phone. You get for take your phone, put am on. Then next, you swipe am down and put your mobile data on. After you don put your mobile data on, you click on the airplane mode. Now you don put on the airplane mode. You don put on the airplane mode. You don see it already shade with the blue icon. Next, let we go now to the dial call. This first one here, the green one, the dial call, and can dial this code what they can show una. Star hash 4636 hash star. Now it will open a command wherein are three commands that we see there. Say 1, phone information, 2, usage statistics, and 3, Wi-Fi information. You get for click on the first one where you see up when phone information. Now you go click on that phone information and open am. Now we don't click on this phone information. Una dey see a lot of information about the phone. Now in this. Now wetin we get for do dey. We can up here. Yeah, what now they say something like mobile radio power. You get for click on that button and put an on. Now I don't click on now, the mobile radio power don't come on. Next, I come out now, I go to the main menu. Now I don't go to the main menu. Waiting I get for do. As now they see, I don't scroll down. The airplane mode is still there on. Una all don't see. The airplane still it on. Now let we see if truly I get for work. Now let we go to Facebook if in the work at all. Let we see. Now we open the Facebook. Now watch you. Now you see it don't open. Make a swipe down. Let una see. The airplane mode still there on. Data not there on. The megabyte this the SIMs outside is disabled. The SIM side, SIM 1 disabled, data disabled, Wi-Fi, everything not there on. Now only the flight mode and this other blue icon we see and the volume. Now this other blue here stand for, but this one inside other next blue now the airplane mode there on. Now that the Facebook this, I don't open my Facebook. For let una see if it work. Will I click on this video la watch am let una see. See it load. Now Emmanuel in video.
Well, as our culture has always been, after 9 episodes,
we bring you making of our previous episode. But this is episode 50 and
I don't see it.
Mark.
Okay. Now I still open now the chat then this. See now I click on the see it load. It don't load confirm. Now me chat then this. See? Now log comot the log on the other media. I don't come on Facebook again. Let we go open Instagram. Let's see if it will work. Now I don't open my Instagram again. I don't open my Instagram. You don't see. Now let's play one video inside Instagram. Let us see.
Yes, who is that?
It's me, it's Chibike.
Chibike, what do you want?
I'm looking for someone.
By this
next
time.
again.
Fantastic. If you want to learn Python for a career in data science, IT, or
Instagram
engineering,
again. The
then
work so. Now come on again. Now we go to the next website. Remember, say still the airplane mode they on. They on still. Now we go behind. Now we'll open my live scores. Live scores. This now, of course, we all know. Say they give the feedback way. They browse. Now we'll see. Let me live scores download. It download. It download. Now you see it don't accept. Don't see, huh? And there. Next I go back, I go open another website. It is open. Now let's open which other websites for let's open. Okay. Let's open my browser and download one thing. Let's type. Let's open Google. Now we don't see. Make a search for something. Flower. O-W-E. Flower. But you don't see. Now flower near me. You don't see. You don't see. And images and this and the browse. You don't see. Remember I said the airplane steam is on. The flight mode still they on. Are they browse? Are they do everything normal? For call, I for don't tell somebody called me, but the phone go really the record the box up really. So for that I command it back again. I go show now other media where wanna go for know something. Okay, anyway guys, learn how all on. So this now how it is use for make use of your flight mode. If any of you go one see if I use flight mode na your phone. Now when I all don't see there how I don't go about the process. When I still see the phone still there flight mode. Let's go back on Facebook. Let's wanna see. It will load. See? It will load. On the Facebook this. Let's go watch one film back. Let's get volume.
Nkata should serve as a wake-up call for all of us.
Video.
Definitely.
The way people posted his videos.
Wow. So now in this all about. Thank you. As you don't follow now, if you don't see, say waiting I say a walk.
On my see the thing.
Yes,
Now from right up, you don't watch am.
I don't know. I'll say a real.
We don dey tell you
You
several
don't
times.
tell me.
Wey you no know
Na
something.
now I don't believe.
No,
But say, where phone the flight mode, you dey make call with am. I don't
if
know.
I no
don't
do
know
am,
now.
you
You
no
don't
go
do am, I
ever
don't see
believe. You
dey.
don see.
You don't do
Now,
am, I don't see dey.
now you see.
So I don't believe now.
Him wey be don dey tell me
I
say
don't
he no
believe.
believe. Now he dey tell me say
I don't
I
believe
don't
now.
believe. I even
And
get
when
for
you
I
don't want
even
do it, now make I not believe. But when you don't do it now, I don't see them with the eyes. Now I don't believe
okay.
now.
Now watch.
Yes.
The next step wey I get for can tell you how for download a video from Facebook. You believe say you can download video from Facebook?
From Facebook video.
Video, you dey
No,
download
I don't
video.
believe that day. That day I cannot believe. Pass and see day.
Hey,
Pass
God.
and see day before I dey believe.
You say pass him. You know, just like I just say pass na
Yes.
unbelieving Thomas.
Where I
If
say
you
them,
not
I
see,
believe.
you
I
don't go
not see that, I
believe.
not go believe. Pass
E
and
dey
see
always
before I go believe.
dey take technology. Anything I tell am, he go say, ah, sir, Oscar, I know say the mommy don cook fine chop today for you. Now make you dey tell you say, phone the left right way use am for your house. Now look, I don tell her about how for download Facebook from video. Download video from Facebook. Now I don tell her about, he say he no
I
believe.
not believe at all.
He say no.
I not believe. I not believe that day.
Okay.
I see day before I go believe.
All right.